at the DLAI India FinTech Conclave 2025. My colleague Vishwanath spoke to Cred's founder Kunal Shah. You can catch the whole conversation at 5:30 p.m. But here's what Shah had to say on the 90-hour work week debate going on.
The whole debate about how many hours you should be working, the question is that it depends on your ambition in life, right? India supports all the things. We talk about how many hours, but we don't talk about that we also have 5 days a week and lots of holidays and all the festivals and everything. Many of these things don't exist.
What is 90 hours the target then?
No, the question is, what is your ambition? Why don't we talk about what is the ambition? I have never seen any conversation saying that what should be your net worth be, what your income should be, how well should be your family be, in what condition, should they get extraordinary healthcare or not. I don't think the conversation about hours, it's about having these very clear goals.
At the same event, my colleague Subhana caught up with Upasana Taku, the co-founder and CEO of Workweek, on the expectations of the startup industry. Listen in.
Previously, there used to be this huge issue of angel tax, which has finally gotten resolved in the last few years. But I think the next important issue there, I feel, is the ESOP tax, which is the taxation on ESOPs, which discourages employees from exercising the ESOP. So see, like the Prime Minister says, India is a startup nation, and Startup India is going to be a big enabler of the GDP growth of the country, as more and more people want to become job creators and not job seekers. And to that extent, it is not just the founders of those companies, but also the early employees, who can create personal wealth and then can go on to create their, new companies, which will become even larger. It's a compounding effect. And so to that extent, I do believe that there is an opportunity for the government to look into making ESOP taxation simpler and easier.
Viewers, India is projected to maintain the fastest growth rate among the world's largest economies. This is according to the Global Economic Prospects for January 2025 report by the World Bank. India's economy expected to grow by 6.5% in the current financial year, 0.1% percentage points lower than the previous estimate. GDP is projected to grow 6.7% each in FY26 and FY27, according to the report. The services sector is expected to enjoy sustained expansion, and manufacturing activity along with the services sector are anticipated to strengthen.